Hello again, my name is Andrew and today we do have a new unboxing. As you see, this is the Parkside crosscut Mitre saw. We've got the model PKS 1500A2. Okay, we have 2 meters of length of cable. We have 3 years warranty from Lidl. Some specs here. 5000 RPM. And let's see what we have inside on the box, of course. Let's get it out. Okay, so we are going to find this different manual from other Parkside products. Here it is. Inside we got 2 batteries. Okay, I don't know where we're going to use these batteries. We have this for the motor. As the motor is using more throttle, these carb are going to burn and going to be less and less, and you must change it. Okay, got those still something, I don't know when I'm going to use it. Maybe in the dust filter, who knows? Oh, some Allen keys, small and big for assembly. Dismounted. We'll see. And inside, of course, of the okay, a little heavy. Okay. Okay, here it is. Well, lovely. And that was all, guys. This is the unboxing of this model. Well, please, this model was a crosscut Mitre saw from Parkside Lidl. It cost 70 euros. Well, be with me for more videos. Please push the notification bell to get more videos, because I am going to review this, how it goes. I'm going to test it, how it cuts. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.